is Madhavi Andra and welcome back to my channel Achieve Your Dream. So today in this video we'll be discussing about the Ramsar sites. So let's get started. Firstly, this Ramsar sites was a convention which was signed in 1971 in an Iranian city called the Ramsar. It is an intergovernmental accord for preserving the ecological characters of wetland. The main aim of this Ramsar Sites Convention, is to develop the global network of wetlands for the convention of biological diversity and also for the sustaining human life. These wetlands declared as a Ramsar sites are actually protected under the strict guidelines. Newly, this Ramsar site was actually recently in news because they were there few states and few locations were actually added in this Ramsar sites. The first one is Maharashtra. That was the first ever Ramsar site of Maharashtra, that is Nanduvar Madheshwar. And from Punjab we have three more, that is Keshapur, Miaini, and we have Beers Convention Reserve and Nagal from Punjab. And in Uttar Pradesh six more were added, that is Nawabganj, Parvati Agra, Saman, Samaspur, Sandhi, and Sarsai Nawab are the six locations that was added in this Uttar Pradesh location. At present we have in India there are 37 Ramsar sites that was added. So that's it for today guys, and if you like my video, please do like and share to my channel, and have a great day. Bye bye.